Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome, Facebook, family and friends, colleagues, everybody. How y'all doing today? Man, I am so excited to be here today. Just like I am every day I'm out hanging out with y'all. All right, listen. Man, this is going to be exciting live today, okay? What I'm going to be talking about, I have learned and implemented through Mr. Ray Higdon. If y'all don't know him, you better go find him and check him out because he will have a huge impact on you and your business. Okay? Now, for those of you that don't know, my name is Ed Mayer. Again, I'm super excited to have you here. Feel free to get those likes and them hearts going whenever you feel it's up, okay? Now, today, I got two questions for you, okay? The first question, would you like a free 3-day, 2-night vacation package? If you would, all you got to do at some point throughout this live presentation is put it down in the comments. You put in there me, and I will message you the information to get a free guys, okay? 3-day, 2-night vacation package. All right, real simple. Now, question number 2. Would you like to know the 4 simple steps to crushing live Facebook videos? Yes. Would you like to know? I'm sure. Hey, feel free to comment, hit them likes, them hearts, get them going, and share this video. So like I said, this is powerful. Facebook wants live videos. They are actually giving them way more attention than just regular videos and images. Those were the popular things. Now, Facebook Lives, they are giving you super juice, all right, for doing lives. So, I'm going to get into the content here. Guys, this isn't going to be a real long video, okay? So like I said, heart it up, like it, comment down below. Don't forget, first question, if you would like a free 3-day, 2-night vacation getaway package, down in the comments section, put me, and over the next 24 hours, I will go through. Anybody that has me in there, I will message you, private message you, the information to go grab it, okay? No purchase necessary, nothing like that. I don't play that game, okay? Free. Now, here's what I want to talk about really quickly, guys, okay? If you want to crush Facebook Lives, which you should, because I just told you, Facebook Lives is what Facebook is giving the most attention to. So, I'm going to give you 4 steps real quickly on how you can crush Facebook Lives. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to keep it fun. Okay? Because I know there's a lot of people out there that still are scared to get out there on Facebooks. All right? And like I always tell people, take a look at this mug. All right? If I can get out here and do it, you can too. All right? Number 1 of the 4, okay, is an intro. Real simple. Hi, my name is Ed Mayer, right? Even though it's on your Facebook and they see your name, you still want to introduce yourself, because when this gets shared around, people are going to be seeing you that do not know you. So number 1 is intro. Number 2 is ask a question. Now, you got 2 questions today from me, right? One that is going to give you perceived value. A free 3-night, 2-day vacation voucher. So, my friends, that was awesome. I hope you appreciate that. All right. So, number 2 is ask a question, just like I did. Would you like to know the 4 simple steps to dominating Facebook Lives? Okay. So that's number 2. Number 3 is the content. All right. And it can be on whatever, whatever your title is, man. If you got to go out and you got to Google or do something like that to figure out your content, or, like I do, man, I watch a lot of training videos and I'm taking notes and I use that content, keeping it simple, right? Always giving credit, like I did at the beginning, like I gave credit to Ray Higdon, the man. Peace. All right, that's number 3. Number 4 is your call to action. And your call to action, even though a lot of people think, and I was guilty of this too before, all right? Oh, if you like this, if you think this is good, can you share it, blah, blah, blah. Even though that is important, okay? Because like I said earlier in the live here, please share the video. This is going to be good content that can help people, okay? But that's not the call to action. A great call to action is, so you're doing Facebook Lives to talk about a product, a business, a service, a weight loss management thing, anything like that. Your call to action, the best one, is to say, listen, if you would like more information about whatever you're presenting, reach out to me via Messenger and I will gladly get the information over to you. Okay? And that's it, my friends. That's it. It's that simple. Okay? So recap real quick. Number 1 is the intro. Number 2 is asking the question. Number 3 is the content. And number 4 is your call to action. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate all the hearts and the likes and all that. And like I said before, share the video. Get it out there. Let's spread it around. Get people out here doing live so they can get noticed, so they can get the attention that they so well deserve for their business, their product, their service, whatever it is they're doing. Okay? So again, my name's Ed Mayer. I appreciate y'all. I love you. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Peace.